Okie dokie. We will just start answering questions. Describe abstract art in 3 words. Universal, freeing, and open. Favorite art movement? Impressionism and Surrealism. Dream collaboration. I think another like-minded artist, or maybe like a fashion brand or something like that would be really cool. Art's role in society, to act as a mirror. Describe your art style in 3 words. I would say calming, ethereal, and soft. What sparked your love for art? I think at first being able to capture the world that I could see, and then later being able to capture a world that I was feeling and experiencing. Okay. Toughest part of being an artist is, I think, my own self-doubt and self-criticism. Success as an artist, defined by you. Ooh. I think just feeling good about the work that I'm making. Non-art hobby, cooking and playing the piano. And hanging out with my dog. That's not a hobby, I guess, but you know, I like doing that. Memorable reaction to your art. I remember once there was a woman who was looking at one of my pieces, and I went up to her and asked her how it was making her feel. And she was like visibly kind of like surprised by me and taken aback. And she was just like, I'm so overwhelmed with emotion. I think that was definitely the most memorable reaction for me. How do you handle self-doubt? It's definitely really hard, but knowing that everybody has self-doubt kind of helps, and just trying to trust myself as much as I can. Best creative advice you've got? Be yourself. Go-to color palette. I think right now I really like working with kind of like pastel blues and greens. Art and technology thoughts. I think technology can never replace a human artist, but it can definitely be used as a tool to support art. How do you beat creative blocks? I like to go out and have fun and do something that is not related to the work that I am working on. Key lesson from your art journey. Listen to the little voice inside of yourself that feels the most honest. Why abstract art? I think abstract art because it's so expressive and it says so much in a way that I think figurative art can't always say things. Best way to unwind? Do something that makes you happy and that like helps you forget about time. So maybe like listening to music. How do you handle critiques of your work? Everyone is going to have an opinion. Some people are going to have good ones and bad ones, but I really just try to stay true to myself. How has your art changed? I think my art personally has become a lot softer and more open as I've become softer and more open. Okay, 3 more. What emotions do you aim for in your art? I think mostly just peace and serenity and calmness. Favorite part of creating? Letting go. Last one. Oh wait, did I do this one already? Advice for budding artists? Be yourself. Trust in yourself. And everybody is an artist, so don't be afraid to call yourself an artist. Bye!